It's for kids. If you are not sure, if you are not sure, you can just stop. You know why it's called Happy Rabbit? Because it's gonna go up and down. Up and down, just like a rabbit jumping. Just your brakes, 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 brakes. Uy, baru bra? May happy?
Too many rabbits.
It's okay.
It was this push you're distracting me.
Okay nga Rod, concentrate ka dito ni.
Too much coffee.
Fun.
It's still happy rabbit.
Yeah. Yeah. Ito. Yeah. Uy. Son! Yay! Good job! Well, different kayo ah. It's a downhill. It's a downhill.